Hey guys, it's Onelsi and welcome to the Airbnb. So we're staying in this Airbnb for 1 week. It's a modern bungalow with a living room, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a full kitchen. So come with me so I can show you how it looks. Hey guys, so we're at the end of our trip. I'm going to show you guys the backyard. There's a pool over there, and that's Stanley. He's playing the ukulele. We really didn't swim in the pool. The weather hasn't been that hot to be swimming, and we also were just exploring, doing other things, attractions, theme parks. We recently went to the observatory and tried some food, so that's what we've been doing. We really didn't swim in the pool, and I'll show you guys how that looks over there. So this is where we grilled some burgers and some steaks. It was really easy to use. And then here's the table. They also have a fire pit here that we can use at night when it's really cold. They also have that projector and some speakers that we can use to watch some movies or shows, which is really cool. And then this is our view. And this is our pool, or the Airbnb pool. Say hi. So yeah, like I said, the pool was very cold to be able to really use it, but you can get some cool shots here. It's really cool. I really like how the Airbnb looks, the whole setup, the backyard. And yeah, that is our Airbnb up there. So the blinds are closed right now, but that is our window that we can see at night. All the lights, the skyline. It's really nice. And if I haven't mentioned before, the Airbnb is in East LA. So very close to everything. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video of the little tour and some of the things that we've been doing. So yeah, this is our backyard of the Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys liked about the trip and the things that we did. We went to Disney, Universal, and Warner Bros. Studio. We also went to the Griffith Observatory, which you can see the Hollywood sign, which was really cool. And we tried a lot of different foods. I forgot to film the Pepe's Red Tacos, or like even take pictures of it. We just came home and ate out here in the back. But it was really good. I definitely recommend. Everything else that we tried, I will include some ice cream, some Mr. Fries Man, some other stuff that we tried when we been here. So yeah, that is it. Tomorrow we're going home, so I don't really think I'm gonna film. Probably go out tonight, but then just sleep in and get ready to go back home to New Jersey. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.